How are you?
I am fine.
Alright, so let's continue our learning. We were on lesson loops with Scrat and we already finished 7 lessons. So let's continue with the next lesson. So are you excited for remaining lesson?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Okay, so here is a lesson level 8. So let's continue.
I'm gonna take repeat block.
You going to use repeat block.
3 times.
Okay,
East.
east,
Repeat block again.
repeat block again.
5 times.
5 time.
North.
Okay, 5 time north. Okay,
Again repeat.
okay, again repeat.
4 times.
4 time.
West.
4 time west. Okay.
Repeat block again.
Mm-hmm.
4 times.
4 time
South.
south. Okay,
And now I'm gonna run.
let's run it. East, east, east,
East.
north,
North. West. South.
Wow, we finished the level. So let's continue to the next one. So here is the next level. Again, we need to help Scrat to reach to the crown.
The acorn is so far away. Can you use loops to help Scrat get there?
I'm gonna take repeat block.
Repeat block.
4.
Just let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Okay.
5. East.
5 east. Okay.
Again repeat block.
Okay.
South.
South.
Again repeat block.
Okay. Again repeat block.
3.
How many step? 3 step.
West.
Okay. West.
Again repeat block.
Mm-hmm.
3.
3 step.
North.
North. Okay. So let's run it. East.
East. South.
West.
West. North.
Wow, we completed the puzzle. So let's move to the next one. So here is the challenge puzzle. Avanish, are you ready for challenge puzzle?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, so let's continue to the challenge puzzle. So here is the challenge puzzle.
Help Scrat get all the way over to the acorn.
Okay, so this is somewhat tricky. Let's see.
I'm gonna take repeat block.
Okay, repeat block.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay, 5.
5 south.
5 towards south. Okay.
Again repeat block.
Mm-hmm.
2 step. West.
2 step west. Okay.
Again repeat block.
Mm-hmm. Again repeat.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay, 5.
North.
5 north. Okay.
Repeat. Block. Again 2 west.
2 west. Okay. 2 west, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
And then repeat block. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5.
5.
South.
Okay. Okay, this is a big one. Let's run.
None.
West.
West. North, 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 north.
Again
North.
west.
West, west. South, 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 south.
Alright, so we completed the challenge puzzle. Congratulations. So let's continue to the next level. Okay, here is the next level.
Help Scrat get to the acorn.
So let's see.
I'm gonna take repeat block.
Okay, repeat block.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
4 step.
West.
Okay, 4 step west. Alright,
Again
next.
repeat block. 2 step north.
Okay, 2 step north.
Again 1, 2, 3, and 4. East. 4 step
east.
east. East done. Again 2 step north.
2 step north.
And now I'm gonna run the program.
North. East.
East, east. North.
Wow, so we completed the puzzle. So let's continue to the next one, and which will be the last one from this lesson. So here is the last level. So let's continue. Let's see how Avan is going to
I'm
do it.
gonna take repeat block.
Okay.
5. North
Okay.
and west.
Okay.
Again repeat block. 5 step east.
Excellent.
North, north, north. West, west,
East.
west, west, west.
Wow. So we finish all the lessons from all the levels from this lesson. So thank you very much.
Like and subscribe. Watch our videos. Don't forget to click bell icon.
If you want to watch last lessons, links are given in the description. Do watch
Bye.
our videos. Bye.
Thank you.